Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y to the power of 4. Next, we see that this one and this one, that is about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equal to 1 over y to the power of 3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one I will put in here. This one we change by v. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 3. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equation. So for this one, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s. That is about e to the power of the integral. We see that negative number 3 next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have negative 3s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one, we have e to the power of s minus 3s, and that's about negative 2s. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v multiplied by e to the power of negative 3s. This one, that is about e to the power of negative 2s over negative number 2, and I will put about c. Negative, negative, we simplify v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.